So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to get Bitget wallet address. So guys, if you're trying to find your Bitget wallet address but you are unable to do so, then this video is for you. The first step is just go ahead and open the app. And once you're here, we just need to go ahead and tap on the home option. And once you're in your home page, just look at the top left corner and tap there. Once you're in this page, you'll find many options over here like language, currency, reporting cycle, rewards account, user guide, academy, security and privacy, and many more. We just need to go ahead and tap on your first account that appears, and once you're here, right at the top you can find your profile picture, your username. Right under you can find this code over here, so we can just tap on this button and it says copied. So guys, you have successfully copied your wallet address, and your wallet address can be found here. So if you're trying to write down your wallet address somewhere, then you can just go ahead and paste the address that you have just copied. So guys, there you go. That's how you get Bitget wallet address. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.